Let's take a moment to define human resources management. Today, according to the Society of Human Resources Management, SHRM, it is the design of formal systems in an organization that ensure the effective and efficient use of human capital to accomplish organizational goals. Translation: it's a function of an organization, like finance, marketing, sales, and engineering. Core to an organization's operations, human resources management is concerned with how to maximize employee performance. Human resources professionals ask the question, what programs, policies, and processes can we put in place to improve performance and achieve employers' objectives? It is essentially the management of an organization's most valuable assets, its people. There are a number of disciplines or fields of knowledge that make up human resources management, including recruitment and selection, also called staffing, organization and employee development, benefits, compensation, labor relations, human resources information systems, and diversity and inclusion. In my experience, there are human resources professionals who specialize in these particular disciplines. I'll discuss this further in the next section. It's important to note an HR employee may have responsibilities not included in these disciplines. Let's define each of them. Starting with recruitment and selection or staffing. This discipline focuses on strategies and processes for sourcing, selecting, and hiring new employees, sometimes referred to as talent acquisition, in which the talent is being acquired by an organization. It may also include handling contingency and temporary labor, pre-screening, and testing candidates. Finding the right people to hire for any organization can be very challenging. Next, organization and employee development, personally my favorite discipline. It deals with performance of an organization and its employees, including the methods by which employees are trained and developed to meet objectives. These projects and activities are related to employee training programs, performance management or the performance appraisal process, leadership development, and succession planning. Moving on to benefits, a widely known HR discipline in which human resources professionals handle those programs that will help to attract and retain employees. It focuses on creating and administering insurance programs like life, disability, and health care, to name a few. Retirement planning, time off like vacation and sick leave, as well as other services that may be required by local, state, and federal regulations. Another well-known HR discipline is compensation. Simply stated, it is managing employee pay, but just as challenging as the other disciplines. It deals with various forms of direct pay, like base salary, incentives, and overtime. Based on the historical evolution of HR, labor and industrial relations is probably the first official discipline. Formal labor management includes collective bargaining and contract administration, as well as upholding and administering the appropriate federal laws associated to union organizing in the workplace. This discipline would also include non-union employee relationships. And in some companies, it covers compliance and employment law, ensuring an organization abides by all appropriate local, state, and federal employment laws. Next, a more recent discipline, Human Resources Information Systems, HRIS, focuses on programs for managing employee data, reporting and analyzing employee information, employee self-service, where an employee can access his or her personal information, such as W-2 forms and benefits electronically. It may also include recruiting software for tracking and employee attendance or timekeeping. Finally, diversity and inclusion. Within this discipline, professionals focus on the development of programs meant to recruit and retain a workforce with various backgrounds, unique characteristics, and different types of experiences. Responsibilities are concentrated on how best to leverage these qualities for a more successful organization. An HR department could research and analyze trends in each of these disciplines to ensure their organization is implementing best practices for its employees. Remember, some businesses or government entities may combine human resources disciplines into one, like compensation and benefits, or combine a discipline with a particular activity, like labor and industrial relations with compliance. This depends on the size, industry, and needs of the organization. Now that we've looked at several disciplines of the HR function, let's review the two major categories for career paths.